Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying out the Aloe Yoga One and Done onesie. Now this is in the Airbrush material and I tried it on in a size small, which online says that it should fit like a 4 to 6. And I usually wear a 0 to a 2 in normal street clothes, but online that would put me at a double XS or an XS, and honestly, based on the fit of this, I just would be really uncomfortable if it was any tighter. Now, I was really intrigued by this because of the low back, because I just love anything with low back, and I love a good onesie. So overall, I really liked this piece. I ended up taking this one home. It is not too heavy, but not too thin either. It's kind of like a medium compression, and that's really what you're gonna get with the Airbrush performance material. And then something that I really appreciated with this construction is that it does come with adjustable straps. So that's going to be really helpful if you have a longer torso, so that you can make sure that it fits you exactly where you want it to. Now this comes in a black in the newest espresso color and a steel gray. Let me know if you have this piece, if you like it, if you love it, if you're looking at picking one up, and which color caught your eye. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.